Notwithstanding on the existing protocol that has been established, I am Bernard Oziegbe Eboreme. I was Vice President to Chief Willie Omiyi for 13 years and President for 8 years with the current Secretary to the Government of Edo State, Barrister Osarodion Ogie Esquire. What we need to start with is human capital development. And at the end of all, we will together lift our association to the next level. Thank you very much.
Mr. Bernard Eboreme recorded 185
Great old boys. This is an election where nobody won or lose. The winner is Egosa Anglican Grammar School Old Boys Association. It is not my victory. It is our victory. Together, we shall move this association to the next level.
What do you go do differently as the new president, the global president? What do you go do differently from the previous administration?
What I go do different? Our first task now how we go increase the number of people where they come to school. How we go talk to the authority, because if you pay well, you go get better people wey go dey teach here and all the rest of it. So those are the areas we will go first start with if they swear us in.
Your Excellency, we are here with a sense of humble pride to return to the governor who has played both membership, leadership, and patron's role in our affairs, that I hope I had a very successful 2021 convention and election preceded by very vigorous articulation of issues regarding the directional focus of the association and the future of the great school, which represents a quintessential cradle in our formative years. We will very much treasure the inspiring representation of the governor through the delegacy of the Secretary to the State Government, Osarodion Ogie Esquire. Your Excellency, your representation was well received as the SSG infused our convention with justifiable sense of humor and pride. Now the elections are over and we are quickly settling down to an agenda of progressive continuity in the organization affairs of EGOBA. A consensus exists for projects in the school in partnership with the proprietor, the Anglican Communion, in attracting better equipped teachers, enhanced provision of science laboratory equipment, the facelifting of the hostels for human habitation, and the reconstruction of the fences around the school for dependable security. These are just some of the aspects of the loaded and galvanizing agenda on which most members of the Executive Council ran and for which we intend to be held accountable. God bless His Excellency Governor Godwin Nogerase Obaseki. God bless Egosa Anglican Grammar School Old Boys Association. God bless Edo State. God bless Nigeria.
I want to first start by congratulating the new global executive of our Old Boys Association. Anyway, I want to congratulate you and you and many members, and to also thank the association for the support you give to me during my elections. So within 30 days today, I would like to meet with you and the proprietor in this office with a very clear agenda and action plan to reposition that school, both in terms of its infrastructure and in terms of the learning outcomes for the kids who go there. The Anglican Mission, to whom we all subscribe, needs a premier secondary school. So once again, congratulations, and thank you very much for the honor of coming to pay your first courtesy call.